Hello guys, myself Narendra Devasi. Today I am presenting 7 amazing facts that can blow your mind. So watch till the end. Do you know that 20% of Earth's oxygen is produced by the Amazon rainforest? Our Amazon rainforest cycles a significant proportion of the Earth's oxygen, absorbing large quantities of carbon dioxide at the same time.
Fact No. 2.
The Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during the summer when a substance is heated up. This is known as thermal expansion.
Fact No. 3.
Stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve stainless steel. Your stomach digests food thanks to highly corrosive hydrochloric acid with a pH of 2 to 3. This acid also attacks your stomach lining, which protects itself by secreting an alkali bicarbonate solution.
Fact No. 4.
Some metals are so reactive that they explode on contact with water. There are certain metals, including potassium, sodium, lithium, rubidium and cesium, that are so reactive that they oxidize, or tarnish, instantly when exposed to air. They can even produce explosions when dropped in water. All elements strive to be chemically stable.
Fact No. 5. Venus is the only planet to spin clockwise. Fact No. 6. Humans are the only animals that enjoy spicy foods, and humans are also the only animals whose brains shrink. Fact No. 7. Elephants are the only animals that can't jump. If you have liked the facts that I cover in this video, then like the video and share as much as you can. Thanks for watching.